So now moving along to our coleslaw, we're gonna start by peeling off the carrots. We have carrots, cabbage, a tiny piece of onion, some seasoning and mayonnaise. This is what we'll be using for our coleslaw today. So let's peel off some carrots. We're gonna peel the carrot and then we're gonna grate it. So now we're gonna grate our carrot. For this recipe I'm using 2 carrots and a quarter of a cabbage. But it also depends on how you like your coleslaw. So I like mine with too much carrots. So I'm adding 2 carrots. And you can also use red cabbage for a pop of color and a different flavor. And if you would like, you can add some herbs as well. You can add parsley, dried or fresh one. But that's just how I like my coleslaw. So we're done with our carrots now. We're gonna chop some cabbage. You can use a peeler if you want, but I prefer a knife, so I'll be using a knife. And then we're gonna chop up our onion thereafter and put it in also. You can cut your cabbage whichever way you like, but I like mine thinly sliced. So this is all our cabbage. I'm done. I'm gonna mix it with the carrot. And then I'm gonna season it. But before, I'm gonna add onion for another different kind of flavor. So this is the part where you add your parsley or oregano. You chop them up and you put them towards the end. So in this case I'm only using onion. Yeah, you can even use spring onion and garnish on top. It will bring flavor to your coleslaw. So our onion is here. We're gonna mix everything together and then we season it and add our mayonnaise. So I'm done mixing now. I'm gonna add aromat again because I love aromat. You can add salt or any kind of aromat that you like. You add seasoning according to your own preference. So I didn't measure, I just put in how I would like my coleslaw to taste. But trust me, it's gonna make your coleslaw taste really nice. So now we're gonna add be adding some mayonnaise, and our coleslaw will be complete. We just chill it in the fridge until we're ready to dish up. So even with the mayo, you can put in as much as you like. There's no measurement. So that's it, guys. This is our coleslaw. You just cover it with cling wrap and let it chill in the fridge until you're ready to dish up.